Hello students, we continue with the data structure. Today we will see the array. What is the array? Array is what? It is the one of the data structure in which we can store the data. Now, how the data we store in an array? In an array, we can store the data of same data type. Homogeneous data, finite data. Homogeneous means what? The data which having the same data type, it is called as a homogeneous. For example, now if we want to store the information of the student with their mass of 30 students, that is the 30 students and their mass. If we are going to store this mass normally, that is a declaration of the variable, then what we want to do, we have to do declare the variables, that is the n1, n2, n3, like the n30. Practically it is not possible to create this variable and handle with them. So what we can do, we can create an array, and in that array we can store these 30 students mass with their number. Now, as I said, it is a homogeneous data type. Means what? In that array, what we create, either we can store the integer value or character value or string value. Means we cannot combine the integer and the character data in a single array. We have to create a different data array for the different data types. Here we can create the array for the integers as we are going to store the mass. So we require the integer array. Now what is the syntax to create the array? To create the array, first we have to write the data type, then name of the array, and then we have to write the size of the array. Okay, size of the array. Now data type, we can create the integer array or char array or string or etc. Which type of the array you want to create. Now name of the array, you can give the any name for the array. Suppose I give the marks for the array. Then size of the array, how much data you want to store in that array, that you have to specify here. Suppose I want to store the mass of 30 students, so I specifies the 30. So this is the integer is the data type, name of the array is mass, and size is 30. This is called as a declaration of the array. It is normally like that, we declare the variable like integer a. It is the data type, it is the name of the variable. It is the data type, it is the name of the variable. But basic difference between the normal variable and the array is what? Here we can specify the size. Here we can store only one value in that variable. So this is the statement how to create or declare the array. Now, how the data actually store in a memory when we store the data by using the array. Suppose this is your RAM. In RAM, we can store the data like this. Okay. Now we store the data. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the actual values of your data. Like A is equals to 1. So this 1 is here. A is equals to 2. This 2 is here. It is the actual values of your array. Now this value is located at particular address. It is called as a memory address. Means what? 1 is located at the 101 address, 2 is located at 102 address, 3103 like that, 7 is located at the 107 address. Now we can give the index for the elements of your array. This 1 to 3 is also called as a data values or the elements of the array. So 1 is located at the index 0, 2 is 1, then 3 is 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. So this is called as a index value of array, and it is called as a memory address of your array. Now means what we can say that it is the array having the value 1 which is having the index 0 and located 101. This is your array of name A. Now what happens is the name of this array we can write as integer A, and how many values are there? 7 values are there. So size of the array is 7. 7 values. It started with the 0 and end with the 6. Now this is the two ends of your array. So this end is called as a lower bound and the upper bound of your index. That is the array. Now it is the representation of your array in a memory. Means representation in the sense how your array stores the data in a memory. It is the way. In a RAM, it is the element of the array having the index 0 and having the its address as a 101. So we declare this array as int a having the size 7. This is called as a syntax or declaration of the array. In which integer is the data type, then A, it is the name of array and it is the size of array. It is called as a size of array. So this is the array. So what we can say that array is homogeneous data type. Now we can create or we can calculate the length of the array. So to calculate the length of the array, we have the formula length is equals to upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. It is the formula to calculate the length. Okay. By using this formula, you can calculate the length of the array. So this is the array. Now we see the different operations on the array, how the array represent in memory, traversing of the array, insert element in the array, delete element from the array.